What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jackson. Happy Valentine's Day. Hope you have a hot date for tonight, and if you don't, then, well, I guess you're going to be looking at the charts. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. CPI just came in higher than expected. We're starting to see a little bit of reaction. So we're sitting at 21.9K, up 0.79 on the day. Same market cap of 422 billion. 24-hour volume, 21.95 billion. So I'll pop into the Discord. As you can see right here, inflation came in. It did slow to 6.4%, but we were expecting 6.2. And as you can see, the market has been reacting a little bit here on the hourly time frame. We sold off quickly because obviously 6.4 is higher than expected. But you can see it was bought up rather quickly, so we'll have to wait a few hours to see how that plays out. But we have pushed up into our wave 4 pullback zone. We've been following our wave count beautifully here. So we're looking for a rejection in between 21.8 and 22.3 before seeing continuation down in a wave 5 to potentially complete a wave A of a large ABC correction, or a completion of a wave 4 in an ABC and looking to push up in a wave 5 to 25K and beyond. But I don't think that's a likely scenario. Personally, I think it's more likely that we're either going to put in an ABC wave 4, where basically this was a 5-wave move into an A, you came down up in a B, you pull back in a C. But if we break 19.9K, that's when we can come down for that much larger wave 2 pullback in between 17.1 and 18.9. All right, gang, so we're going to pop into our next chart. So this is what I'm expecting here. Even if we do put in that one more low that we're looking for, we do have a nice bullish divergence on the 4-hour. Money's flowing back in. As you can see, we created a lower low, double bottom, higher low. So if we do push up from here, what I'm expecting is a wave B to push you up into this downsloping trend line that's from the all-time high. Let me pull back before seeing continuation to the downside. Let me quickly check what happened in 2000. Let me go to the daily in 2015 and see if we saw a retest, because this is the fractal that we've been watching here. So let's open this up. Yeah, well, yeah, we did. So we had a rejection. Well, we didn't quite come back. Let me adjust this trend line, see where we're at. Can I adjust it? Not really. I don't want to cheat. So you can see here in 2015, when we did get rejected by that trend line, we came down. There's your wave A. You had a wave B pullback, and you fell down in a wave C. And then you just saw continuation to the downside. So very similar, in my opinion, to what we're seeing right now, and what I think is the likely scenario. If we go back to present day, sorry, this is a little bit taking too long. So we broke down wave A, you have a wave B pullback, and then you come down in a wave C. And potentially, I think we'll bottom out in between 19 to 20K before putting in a wave 3 to the upside. I do think there's a good chance the bottom is in my opinion. So that's where I'll be looking to load the bags. But if we were to break out from here, and what we'd be looking at is you pushed up in a wave 1, wave 2, that's a 3, that's a 4, and a 5. And then you would see that large wave 2 pullback. But I don't think that's the more likely scenario, but anything's possible. The DXY double top, we did start to lose the neckline with the release of the CPI. So if that does see continuation to the downside, that's when you see Bitcoin continue to push up into our wave 4 pullback zone. If we break above 22.3, it invalidates that as a wave 4, so do keep an eye on that. But as of right now, I do think we could push a little bit higher, but we have met the minimum target for a wave 4, and we are looking for that wave 5 to the downside. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to either BitGet or Bybit. BitGet's where I do the majority of my trading. Grab up to $8,000 in bonuses, $30,000 on Bybit. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. The members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, you made a nice trade based off my signals, based off the analysis, which I love to see. And you can see how the traders are doing with their own positions as they like to post their profits in here. Mahalo alt plays as well. All of that is only $10 a month. Same price as a Netflix subscription, Big Mac meal, Subway with a bag of chips. You really can't beat it. Sign up through the Patreon link. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.